The experience was dope. Like I said, I've been here before, so I already knew it was going to be a good environment. You can really go to any instructor, any program, really anybody walking through the hallways. My teachers were there every step of the way, checking on me, making sure I was okay, telling me if I need anything, reach out to them, you know, just simple stuff like that. They always, I ain't gonna say make it personal, but you know, make sure they know you as a person before they know you as a student. I'm a person who can't sit still. I like to try different things. I spoke to somebody, they said, well, it was a nice field to be in. It's at a high demand. There's not nothing that can be taken over by robots and nothing like that, so they always gonna need manpower behind it, so just pursued it. Every day here is a good day. When you can wake up, you know, come to school and practice a trade where it's gonna make you money in the real world is always a good moment, for sure. I'm glad I chose this school, for sure, so.